what's up guys? So today I'm here in the middle of Chinatown Road to try something very unique. We're gonna try shark fin soup along with bird's nest soup for the first time. I think it's my first time. What about you?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, first time trying it and I'm super excited. I don't know what to expect. So if you guys want to join me in this journey of trying something unique, don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, so the moment of wait is over. We have our special shark fin soup with abalone and mushroom. So it's a very thick soup, as you can see. Yeah, this is how thick it is. And this is the shark fin. I've never tried shark fin ever in my life, so I'm really like, I don't know, nervous, excited, I don't know. So I'm gonna try some. Take some abalones. Maybe mushrooms. Okay. So I'm gonna this is going to be my first bite. I'm not sure how this is going to taste like, but okay. Wow. That is amazing. Very rich flavor. And the shark fin, it's very gelatinous. It has a very jelly texture, and it all melts in your mouth. And the soup is just like, it's just really, really good. Very satisfying. It has a very rich flavor, very thick. The soup is thick, and I don't know. I just feel like instantly like much more better having this. Wow. I'm gonna go for seconds actually. So this is like a bigger piece of the soup. Sorry, the shark fin. Okay. It's actually like really good. It's similar to the fish mouth soup that is really famous here in Chinatown. But the shark fin adds a very different texture to it. Very hot. Wow. Nothing like I ever tried before, honestly. Okay guys, so the second exclusive dish that we're going to try is the bird nest soup. It's a very, like a very different delicacy of like the Chinese cuisine, because it is made up of bird's nest, and yeah, they serve it in a very beautiful ceramic bowl, like a Chinaware. So I'm going to try a little bit of this. I've never tried bird's nest, so it's like, yeah, I think this is a very different experience for me. So I'm gonna take a spoon. It's sweet. I didn't expect that. No. Very different texture that I think I need to have more of it to get used to it. But like beginning, it's very sweet, very watery. Yeah, and I think that like the texture is very like it's you can easily like they're chunks, so it's like you can easily swallow it. But yeah, it's alright. It's I mean not like really sweet, so not really my favorite. But yeah, it's good enough. Okay.
It's my turn.
Yeah.
I will put
Some vegetables. I think those are sprouts and coriander. Celery, I'm not sure.
add more.
Okay.
Shark fin and a balloon. That's my first time too.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Enjoy. Smell. How is it?
Like a jelly
Yeah.
with herb soup, herbal soup. Yes, it's maybe some China herbal.
Yeah.
Nice.
Uh-huh.
Good. That's good experience.
Good experience. Nice.
This menu in Thai called rang nok.
Rang nok.
Yes, rang nok is made from bird. Sweet,
Sweet, yeah.
but not too sweet. I really like it.
Yeah. Very watery, right?
Yes. But it's alright.
Black pepper? White pepper?
Not sure, but pepper.
Pepper. Okay.
White
Pepper.
pepper.
White pepper powder. It goes really well with the soup. Thank you. Okay. Wow. It tastes really good with the white pepper actually. I enjoy this. Okay guys, so we just had our whole experience of trying shark fin soup for the first time. It is a very famous Chinese delicacy that is sold widely here in Chinatown Road in Bangkok. So yeah, like it was a very good experience. I think it was very like the soup was very filling. I like the shark fin soup more than the bird's nest soup, to be honest. It was a very unique experience, very gelatinous, and yeah, I'm sure I would come here to try some more. And to get here, actually, you can always come to the main Chinatown Road. It's fully packed with people. You will see one of the like the street food restaurants that sell this exclusively. So yeah, it's really exciting, very easy to reach, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to click like, share, and
Subscribe.
bye.